Looking for Nespresso coffee machines to buy on Black Friday? Luckily, we are here to help. Here are the best deals you should consider. And the best part? We did all the work for you. Just click this link below and get real-time prices and discounts on your favorite products. Number 1, compact machine taking up minimum space on your work counter. User-friendly capsule insertion with removable container for emptying. Fast heating using thermoblock, 25 seconds, by Nespresso. Number 2, Nespresso Citiz and Milk Coffee Machine, Black by Magimix. Includes a selection of 16 different Nespresso capsules. Fast 25 seconds heat up time. Removable 1L water tank, another great product by Nespresso. Number 3, Nespresso Citiz and Milk Coffee Machine, 1710W, Silver by Krups. Includes assortment of 16 Nespresso capsules. Automatic and programmable water quantity for espressos and lungos. Integrated Aerocino lets you prepare creamy hot milk froth. UK Black Friday deals are now online. Just click this link below and get real-time prices and deals.